can cause havoc if not kept at bay. From taking up nutrients needed by other plants to contributing to pathways and paved areas looking untidy. Some weeds have thorns and spikes, making them a danger to all if left to be, especially on the lawn. And before you know it, your lawn will have more weed than lawn. That's why it's important to never let weeds flower. To keep pathways and pavings looking pristine, pull out the weeds as soon as you see them. Or you can use a non-selective, ready-to-use herbicide as a foliar spray to control annual and certain perennial broadleaf weeds. Place landscaper's fabric underneath paving or gravel pathways to keep weeds in check by preventing them from getting the sunlight they need for photosynthesis. Rather use a herbicide that's specifically formulated for the control of annual broadleaf weeds. These herbicides will not kill your lawn. Just make sure to follow the dilution rate and application instructions. Win the battle against weeds and enjoy a weed-free garden by following these tips and keeping check regularly.